Alrighty, SRI, here's a little 347, give you a description of this combination. Basically, it's a set of our cast heads on it, Edelbrock air gaps, got the Brawler 650, MSD Pro billet. Oh, it's a ready to run distributor, sorry about that, MSD. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. We got the March Serpentine belt kit on it, make sure the alternator charges, front sump oil pan. So we'll go in there and make a hit on it, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3300, it's 418 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 429, good flat there, peak horsepower 430. So we rated 440, front end's about 15, so everything's good. So the next thing we'll do is we'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and I'm going to show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, there'll be this little thing that looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of information. It's got your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of technical stuff. So highly recommend pull it out, load it up, make sure to look at it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. On the engine will be this tag. Very important to have your engine number, valve lash, oil capacity, balance, internal, external, engine timing stuff. So make sure to keep this tag. If you call, that engine number is the best way in the back here for us to look you up. So have a great day.